Okay, in this video we're going to learn how to take sketches that we make by hand and upload the images of those sketches into GeoGebra. So the first thing you have to do is you have to make the sketch, you draw it on a piece of paper, and you're going to need to take a photograph of it. You can use your cell phone, you can use a camera, you can use whatever you want, but you have to take a photograph of the image and you need to upload it and save it to your computer. How you do that is up to you, but you need to save it to your computer. Once you do that, you pick an image. So for example, I will take this image, and I want to take this image and I want to get it into GeoGebra. Now, a lot of times the images that we have are bigger than what we want. Okay, we don't need this entire image here. We only need a part of it. There are three different ways to do that, and it depends on what your computer has. If you have a Windows 7 operating system, which the computers at school at Bullis have, you can use what's called a snipping tool. And you can get to the snipping tool by going to the Start menu. And if you type in snipping, you start typing it, it should come up as one of your programs. Okay, what you'll do is you click on that and you highlight what portion of the photo that you want to upload to GeoGebra. So we don't need all of this, so let's just highlight this portion. As soon as you highlight it, it snips an image, it snips the part that you wanted. It's automatically copied to your clipboard, and we can upload it to GeoGebra now. And you simply do that by clicking on the image button, and then you hold the Alt button and you click, and the image will show up. A snipping tool, if you have a Mac, is pretty simple. You just hit Control Shift 4. So Control Shift and the number 4, and you highlight the area that you want to snip, and then once again you Alt click and you put it into GeoGebra. Make sure you click on the image button up here first. Now if you don't have a snipping tool and you don't have a Mac on your computer, what you'll need to do is you'll need to download a program. The program we recommend, which is free, is called Gadwin Print Screen. You can get to it by going www.gadwin.com, and then you go to Downloads, and if you scroll down a little bit, you get to Gadwin Print Screen. You just need this one, Gadwin Print Screen, the second one. It's a free software, and you can download it to your computer. Once you download it, if you go and you find it in your programs, it will appear down here as print screen. If you click on it for the first time, you need to set a few settings. So if you go to Source, you want it to be set to rectangular area. That means you get to choose what portion of the screen you want to snip. You can also check on destination. You want to make sure copy captured area to clipboard is clicked on. You can also check that when you do use this tool, that any image you snip will be saved to a specific folder. Okay, and you can choose that folder that it will be saved to. But most importantly for our sake is you want to have the copy captured area to clipboard clicked on. The other thing that you want to make sure of is if you go to Preferences, you want to set a hotkey, and that means whatever key you want to hit on the screen, it will automatically pull up this tool, the print screen tool. So I have my hotkey set to the F1 button. You can make it whatever you want. So then you simply hit OK, and if we go back to our image, I hit F1, and automatically you'll see something pop up in the top right corner of the screen. It's just a preview of whatever you're going to snip. So right now I'll highlight what I want, I highlight this portion, and I hit enter, and that image will pop up right here in this little folder. You hit continue output, okay, and then we'll go back to GeoGebra. If we pull up a new one, I click on the image button and I go Alt click, and the image pops up that I just snipped. Once you have the image uploaded to GeoGebra, we just need to change a few of the settings and also to just move the photo. Okay, so you go to the movement tool, move the whole screen so we can see the whole photo. We'll just put it in the middle. And then what you want to do is you want to set a few of the properties. So you got to go to Edit, Object Properties. We want to fix the object so it won't move around. We want to put it in the background, and we also want to click on the Absolute Position on Screen button. Once you do all those things, you hit Close, go back to the Move tool, and we want to set the scale that GeoGebra uses right on top of the scale that we created. So you'll just grab it, move it over, and then you'll also, as we've learned already, move the scale so that it lines up exactly where we want it to be. And that's pretty much it.